Hey gamers, are you ready to rev up your engines and dominate the roads? If you love speed, style, and endless fun, then this is the game for you. Welcome back to my channel, where I bring you the latest and most updated codes for your favorite Roblox games. Today, I am diving into Drive World, a game that takes racing and exploration to a whole new level. If you are looking to unlock some incredible rewards and enhance your gameplay, you are in the right place. Also, if you find this video helpful, do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. And remember, if any of the codes I share are not working, just head over to my channel and check out my other updated videos for the latest working codes. I am always on the lookout for new updates and codes to help you stay ahead in the game. So let us get started and see what Drive World has in store for us today.